Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve this particular question which is involving a decimal, then we have a fraction, two fractions. Okay. So now in this case, like I always in all my videos, I give you two, three ways of doing these kind of sums. Okay. Because normally when I used to show the easiest method, people used to get confused that this is very easy for you, but for us it is very tough. So then I thought that let me explain all the methods possible. Okay, that's why few of my videos become long also. So then also people are complaining and all that. Please understand, I'm here to just explain. I'm just here to clear all your doubts. Okay, and those of you who are new to my channel, please remember I'm literally uploading every day, more than two videos. Okay, on my channel. So if you're new, please hit the subscribe button, and in case you have any doubts, please put that doubt in the comment section. I will definitely make a separate video related to your doubt questions. Okay, so now coming back, like I said, here also we can do it by two methods. The first method which normally people do is that you convert this decimal into a fraction, that is what, 8 upon 10. Okay, so then we have plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, first thing is very clear to everyone. Okay, next thing what you can see over here is, see, from here also I'll show you one more method. But here normally people would do what, they will cancel. So you will have 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, this is one method of doing. Okay, but after this what you can do is, see, the next method I'll show you, in some time, but first let me finish this one. So what will happen is, see, we will add the like fractions means the ones which have the same denominator. So we'll keep 4 upon 5 plus 3, 4 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, because since the denominator is same, we'll just keep the 5 as it is, and then add the numerator, and we'll keep half as it is. Okay, so here what you will get, 4 plus 3 upon 5 you had plus half, right? So that will get you what, 7 upon 5 plus half. So again, now what happens in this case is that you cannot add them because the denominators are not same. So in this case you use the concept of LCM. Okay, if you have any doubts of how to find LCM of fractions and everything, please go ahead and check the video which is available on top or at the end of the description. Literally I have got more than 100,000 views on that, and a lot of people have appreciated that video. So you can please go ahead and check it out. So now here in understand, whenever you add two fractions, you have to pay attention to the denominators. So obviously now 5 and 2 both are prime. Whenever you have two prime numbers, you directly do what? You just multiply them, 5 into 2. So your LCM comes out to be just 10. Okay, so I'll keep my denominator as 10. Now understand, when I want this to be changed to 10, I'm multiplying by 2. So here also I'll multiply by 2. So 7 into 2 gets you 14. Plus, now 2 gets multiplied by what to get you 10? 2 gets multiplied by 5. So here also you will get multiplied by 5. So you will get plus 5. So now final answer is 19 upon 10. That is nothing but just 1.9. That, my dear friends, is the answer for this particular question. Okay. Now, like I said, those of you, there is another method at this particular step. See, what happens is, lot of y'all, we had what, 8 upon 10 plus 1 upon 2 was here, and plus 3 upon 5, right? If I remember correctly, sorry, yeah. So we have 8 upon 10 plus 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2. Now what if this thing doesn't happen, like you don't realize that we can cancel this? Then also in that case what you can do is that you can take the LCM at this step as well. So now understand, LCM of 2 and 5, both of them are what? Prime numbers. So now you have to multiply them. 2 into 5, you get 10. And fortunately, the next fraction also has the denominator of 10. So here your LCM became 10. So now see, what you have to multiply to 10 to get a 10. Here you just multiply by 1. So here also you will multiply by 1. So you will get 8 into 1 gets you 8. Again, here you will multiply by 2. Here also you will multiply by 2. So you will get 6. Here you will multiply by 5. Here you will multiply by 5. So you'll get plus 5. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 upon 10. So final answer is nothing but just 1.9. Understood? So see, please understand, don't panic. Okay, sometimes happens that fraction reduction doesn't, it doesn't strike you all. It's fine. If that also happens, this is okay, this method can be applied. Okay, this is very very important for all of you all to remember. Now, like I said, see, this is my first method. The first method is what? By taking LCM. Now next, go to the next method. The next method is nothing but just converting everything in decimals. Okay, so coming to the question again, we had um 0.8 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, so here in this case, what you will do, you will keep your 0.8 as it is. 1 upon 2, as we know, it is half is nothing but 0.5. And you will do the division here, so 5 ones are, and you will keep a 0 point, and then you will get a 30. So we know 5 6 are gets you 30, so 0.6. Here after this you directly add them, so you get the answer as 1.9. Okay, this is absolutely fine if you know how to do this kind of division, this decimal division properly. Okay, now please understand, when this method doesn't work, I'll tell you when. Okay, so if imagine if you had 0.8 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5 plus let's say 2 upon 3, then in that case what happens is, see, anything when divided by 3, normally if it is not like completely divided, like in this case 2 is not completely divided by 3, so in that case you get a recurring number. Okay, so here at this particular step, I would request all of you all to follow the LCM method, because it's much much easier, and it is literally making going to make sure that you literally do less errors, very error free. Okay, that is why lot of schools put a lot of emphasis on LCM method. I hope this is very very clear to everyone. So for those of you all who thought that how to do this, 8 upon 10 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 we had, right? So in this case, I'll just quickly do this for all of you all. Let's do this orally. So see, these all are prime. So we'll do 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 into 3 gets you 30. And if you see 30, else 10 completely divides 30. So this is absolutely fine. You will just multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. So you'll get 20. Sorry, it is, you will get 24. Here you will have to multiply by what? 2 divided by 30. How much you get? You get 15. Okay, so here you will multiply by 15 on top as well as bottom. So 1 into 15 is getting you 15. Then what you will do is, you will have to multiply with what? 5 with what to get a 30? You will have to multiply by 6. So here also you will multiply by 6. So you will get 18. Here you will multiply by 10, and here also you will multiply by 10. So you will get a 20. So now what happens in this case is 20 plus 24 gets you 44 plus 15 plus 18. Okay, so what gets you is 9 plus 8, that gets you 7, 1 carry. Then you have 5, 6, 7. So you have 77 upon 30, which is an improper fraction. Okay, so here you can write it in proper form as nothing but 2 and 17 upon 30. This, my dear friends, is the final answer for this particular addition. I hope this is very very clear to everyone. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.